it is an honour and privilege to launch the first BAFTA Awards, BAFTA standing for Beacon Hill Academy Form Tutor Awards. These end of term celebrations are taking place slightly differently from previous years, but despite the unprecedented times that we live in, we believe that it's important that we celebrate the success and achievements of our learners. Those awarded prizes and certificates this afternoon have been chosen for their outstanding achievement and performance during the past term. Our trust has 5 core values at heart. These values are about dreaming big, rewarding effort, leading together, respecting each other and our world, and learning that inspires. All of these values are truly embedded in the award winners this afternoon, and I cannot help but feel immensely proud in the way that all of you have responded to the challenges and the changes of this term. It is your determination, your dreams, your leadership, your respect for each other that inspires us and whose efforts we reward this afternoon. So without further ado, can I hand you over to Mr. Lynch, our Assistant Principal.
Okay, thank you Mr. Darmy for the introduction. We're now going through all these new awards to give you a quick overview of which awards are going to happen and when. So to start off with, we'll go for our attendance awards. We'll then move our way through the merit trophies and the merit Amazon vouchers before we get on to any learners who've got an Amazon voucher for no lines, which is fantastic. We're really looking forward to rewarding so many learners for their behaviour and effort during this first term. And it's fantastic, we've got some additional Form Tutor awards that are taking place this afternoon as well. We're also really lucky to have some new Trust Awards, and they'll be coming through the programme as well, with some really large prizes for our students, which is fantastic. And of course, the learning managers and SLT will come around your classrooms, verified today, to hand out the all-important half-term challenge prize.
And the first award goes to learners that have shown a real commitment to all of our core values. And first of those core values is about dreaming big. This goes to learners that have shown a real commitment to learning, not just in school, but outside of school as well. And the Dreaming Big Award in Year 9 goes to Quinn Corrigan. Congratulations, Quinn. You win the award for excellent behaviour and attainment and really raising your aspirations to want to do well when you leave school. Well done, Quinn. £20 Amazon voucher on its way to you.
Okay, we now move on to the attendance awards. And even at this time of year, attendance is so important. And we've seen different schools and different year groups having issues with attendance. And obviously our aim is to get as many learners in school and for them to stay in school as long as possible. And a massive thanks to you all for your attendance so far this year. What I'm going to do now is to do the draw for the 2 winners for 95% attendance, getting a £5 voucher each, and also another draw for 2 winners getting a £10 voucher each. Don't forget, these vouchers will be sent directly to your school email, so please pick them up before the end of Christmas. Okay, now moving on to the attendance awards for Year 9. Okay, so to start off with 95% attendance, all of those learners will get a certificate. Congratulations to you. And in here we have all our 95% attendance winners, and they're going to hopefully draw out 2 of you to get a £5 Amazon voucher. So, right to the bottom, the first one we have Raphael Johnson. Well done, Raphael, £5 on its way to you. And Raphael is joined by Francis Blackham. So well done, Raphael, well done, Francis, £5 voucher to you. Congratulations and well done this term. Congratulations to Francis and to Raphael. We're now moving on to our 100% attendance winners, which again get a certificate and recognition. What a phenomenal achievement that is, given the previous 3 months we've had within the school and local community. So congratulations to you and your parents for getting 100% attendance this term. All the names are in here, and you are going to get yourself a £10 voucher from Amazon sent to your school email. The first winner is Preston Griffiths. So well done, Preston, congratulations. And Preston is joined by Olivia Whittle. So Preston and Olivia, £10 on its way to you. Congratulations, both of you. Okay, so we've given out our individual winners, which is a fantastic achievement. We do like a little bit of competition here at Beacon Hill Academy to raise those standards even higher and to try and dream even bigger for our attendance across the school. So we've got our form competition. Obviously each form has a chance to win a box of chocolates delivered to their form this afternoon by various members of SLT and their learning manager. And now moving on to the Year 9 form competition. We've alluded to the fact that the box of chocolates is on its way to Tuesday afternoon. So let's see who's won those chocolates. In 5th place, 9 MBR. Congratulations. In 4th place, 9 YVO. In 3rd, 9 WKI. And the last 2 forms, again, only 0.1% difference, just as close as Year 8. In 2nd though, 9 JFO with 89.5. And in 1st place, congratulations to 9 BRL, 89.6% attendance, and the chocolates on the way to you this afternoon. And we now move on to our Respecting Each Other and World Award. It's really important, especially at this time of year, and given the current situation, that we focus on how well our learners are doing in terms of respecting themselves and respecting the environment in school. They've done amazingly well since the start of the year with all the zones and bubbles and staggered starts, and that's why we feel it's a real tribute to those learners to reward those that have respected themselves and each other at this time. It's been really humbling to see that, and the heads of year and the learning managers have come together and selected learners, and each learner now receives a £20 voucher for the Trust Respecting Each Other Award. Okay, Year 9 then, so let's have a look and see who's won the £20 voucher. And it's Katie Bailey, so massive congratulations to Katie Bailey, chosen by your learning manager. Well done, respecting each other and the world. Massive congratulations.
Good afternoon, Year 9. Absolute pleasure to be joining you today for our end of term celebrations. Some absolutely brilliant work, brilliant behaviour, brilliant effort across the whole year group. I'm just so proud of a lot of you, and it's a real pleasure to be able to come and share with you today. We are here for the BAFTAs, so the Beacon Hill BAFTAs. We're going to be getting into who has earned what, so fantastic. Is that good or not? Okay, so now moving on to merit and an absolutely incredible show from many, many Year 9s. We have got literally thousands of merits that have been awarded in this term. Now, out of the top 30, only 2 can be chosen for the prize, and we are going to do that now with a bit of a live draw. So, the winners from Year 9 are Jessica Davies and Owen Harper. So absolute massive well done to you guys. Okay, moving on to the learners who have not got any lines at all in this term. An absolutely massive achievement, really, really impressed with all of you. But again, only 2 people can win, and these 2 people are going to earn themselves a voucher also. So, moving on to the winners, and the first person to win their voucher is Mia Gill. And secondly, we have Daniel Bailey. Absolutely brilliant effort from both of you.
Rewarding effort is a core value here at Beacon Hill Academy. It's so important because unless learners are working well and working hard, you're not going to be able to get the top grades. So, well done to this particular learner. It's only 1 learner in the whole school that we're awarding this prize to, and the prize is a £40 Amazon voucher. So, congratulations to Alexandra Waldman, who has secured over 350 merits, which is the highest in the school. Well done, Alexandra, who is in Year 7. Excellent work. Keep up the good effort.
Okay, so what's brilliant now is I now get to combine some subject awards alongside the attendance awards you've already seen and the merit and the rewarding effort. So it's been really good the last term. Congrats to the staff and the departments, the nominated along with the head of the department, a variety of learners for each year group across different subjects. It's a phenomenal achievement selected by the teachers, so well done. And here are the winners now. Now we move on to the Learning that Inspires Award, and this follows nicely from the subject awards. And now looking at those, recognising those learners who go above and beyond in the classroom. Okay, and this is another Trust Award, so many thanks for the £20 voucher that will go to all these learners that are successful, and the learner that's demonstrated exemplary approach to learning, selected by the learning manager, is as follows. And the Year 9 award for Learning that Inspires, donated by the Trust, so a £20 voucher to Molly Goff, for literally completing every piece of work in front of her to a high standard. What a brilliant pupil, and that's a great quote there from Mr. Tennant, so congratulations to you. Okay, a half-term challenge. The first half-term we had the sweet treats that were delivered by staff around the school, and now, given the current situation, we have amended our boundaries for these half-term challenges. So we've now gone to 20 merit or higher, 95% attendance, obviously not including any COVID-related illness, and obviously our no late and our under 4 lines. So we're going to come around shortly with some selection boxes. It's been over 225 in just the 4 year groups, which is amazing. Nearly 60, 70 selection boxes per year group, and we look forward to seeing you shortly. Okay, now moving on to another one of our Trust Awards. This is the Leading Together Award. Okay, and we're really fortunate the Trust have provided a number of Amazon vouchers to help us promote and reward those learners who do so much towards our key core values. We've got a fantastic student leadership program at school that is stage-based right the way through to Year 7, all the way up to Year 11, and it's been a privilege to speak to those staff who will look after this program and who meet with these learners on a regular basis and see the work they do in and around school. These learners are superb role models across the school. They've got to take part in work with Miss Redden for our Year 6 induction evening. They've also been part of our BBC Newsnight presentation, as well as working out and running events within the school. And it is only fitting that in their final year, we'll hopefully look to reward those learners in our Year 11 cohort for all they've done since they've started at Beacon Hill Academy. So we've decided to reward the following learners, all in Year 11, for their fantastic student leadership thrown through the school. And there could have been many, many more, but we've narrowed down to these 3. It's Edie Borton, Judith Parkinson, and Evie Jacks. And Miss Shingler herself wanted to comment on their excellent leadership and dedication to Beacon Hill. They're so reliable, can be called upon for anything to assist and lead the student council. So congratulations to you 3, all the best for the future, and don't forget our £20 in the email to you later this week.
Okay, so moving on to the Beacon Hill Academy Form Tutor Awards. Now, these are really prestigious awards selected by your form tutors and myself. And moving on to it, 9 KFE, we have Isabel May. Now, Isabel is for excellent attitude to school life, more than 100 merits and 0 lines at all. Absolutely incredible. Isabel, well done. 9 WKI, we have Harry Wilson for a significant improvement in focus and attitude to learning. So really, really good one there. That's an important one to note for, maybe not so good before, but everybody needs a chance to get better. Harry did that, absolute massive well done. From 9 MPA, we have Jamie Lee Hughes for outstanding behaviour, attitude to learning and helping inform. Honestly, this is something that Jamie's been doing since Year 7. She's still doing it now and doing an incredible job, so a really, really well-deserved award. From 9 YVO, we have Elliot Loveday, who, to be honest with you, the award is for just being generally brilliant at everything he's been doing. In terms of behaviour, in terms of work, in terms of attainment, everything all in one. Elliot, absolutely massive well done, very well earned. From 9 MBR, we have Charlie Guest, who is always polite, eager, smart, and generally a really, really, really valuable member of the form. Again, a really well-earned award. Well done to you, Charlie. From 9 JFO, we have Katie Bailey. Now, Katie has fantastic commitment to learning and taking part in all school initiatives. She's always one of the first to jump on whatever it is we're doing and contribute to it in a positive way. A massively well-deserved award from Katie. And finally, from 9 BRL, we have Frances Blackham, who is always reliable, has a mature attitude towards her learning, and is always willing to help out other people in form. Similar to some of the other awards, but Frances, a massive, massive well done. Again, another people who's been doing this for absolutely ages, consistently. Really, really well-deserved award, and fantastic, well done. So, an absolutely massive well done to everybody that's earned either the Beacon Hill Awards or the Trust Awards. It's a massive, massive achievement, and you should be so, so proud of yourselves. Have an absolutely brilliant Christmas. Make sure to stay safe, and I'm really, really looking forward to seeing you in the new year.